All right, so we're back from Christmas vacation in Florida with our family, a fantastic time. And here I come home to an awesome Christmas present, my BIBA award. So let's open it and check this thing out.
What's BIBA stand for?
Best Indie Book Awards.
What's indie mean?
Well, these are great questions, Levi, by the way. It's almost like I scripted you, and I didn't.
Especially true if he didn't.
All right, in the publishing industry, in the book industry, there are 5 big publishing houses that dominate pretty much the entire industry. Those are the ones whose their authors get all the publicity and all the marketing campaigns and TV commercials and billboards. And the other 10% of the market are either small publishing houses or independent authors like me. And these awards, the BIBA awards, are for books by those other 10% of me. Ooh, nice box, very pretty box.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, you gotta look at it from the back. Here we go.
What?
Am I refracting in the picture?
Wait, let me see.
Very good.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Very,
can I see?
very cool. Look, behind the Christmas tree behind.
Whoa. The party dolls.
Right? Wow.